Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the beginning of day 13. Yes, I skipped day 12. Yeah, I could have, done day 12 today also, but it's gone. So yeah, today is day 13. Uh, the reason I didn't make any videos yesterday was I didn't plan anything to study, and I even didn't checked out whether I was able to complete anything or not. So yeah, you can skip yesterday. I did keep one day in my hand, but I won't use that right now. That is actually for my revision, and this 20 days I will actually only keep it 19. I mean, I skipped one day, so it will effectively be 18 days. But yeah, the last 3 days will be revision. So I actually changed my plans quite a bit, cause we don't have around 9 to 10 days left. So what I will be doing is I will be trying to finish my syllabus as soon as possible, and continuously solve questions afterward. So yeah, the previous year questions and all that, I will be doing that for around 1 to 2 days. 3 days will be my revision, 2 days will be these, so I only have around 5 days left to complete everything. It might sound weird, but today I will be completing physics, and by physics I mean each and every chapter of physics. So yeah, I will be doing that. I am actually saying that because there are around 30 chapters, out of which I kinematics, NLM, friction, work power energy, circular motion, RBD, current electricity, electrostatics, capacitance, EMI, and yeah, these are the chapters that I have completed. Let me check again. And apart from that, I have also completed COM, impulse collision, sound wave, light wave, string waves, thermodynamics, and there's gravitation also, which I have completed already. So now the chapters that are left in physics are geometrical optics, SHM, KTG, EMI, AC, EM wave, fluid mechanics, semiconductor, communication, elasticity and viscosity, thermal physics, heat transfer, modern physics. So it's a total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So it's 13 chapters left, which I will be trying to complete today. So some of you might think 13 chapters is not possible. The reason is I actually planned it like that I will have complete all the chapters till now. The big chapters I have completed those. So SHM my SHM is as I told you earlier, is pretty good. So yeah, I will it will take 10 minutes to do that. Geometrical optics will take 30 minutes, and rest of the chapters will, I think I will be able to manage those. I won't do any chemistry or maths today. In chemistry there's more than 30 chapters left, and in physics it's around 15 chapters. So yeah, I will first start with completing physics today, and then if I am able to complete everything, then I will solve 5 to 6 question papers of physics previous year. And by previous year I also mean January 2020. So yeah, that's my plan for today. My phone just arrived yesterday, and I guess that's the reason I didn't make any videos. So yeah, I will be adding two more stuffs in the evening video. I will also tell you how much I used my phone. So yeah, thank you, and sorry for yesterday.